Every day, millions of people consume hamburgers globally. How do factories efficiently turn meat into patties and wheat into buns at such a scale? How is this effectively managed? The process of grinding meat is a pivotal step in large-scale hamburger production. These high-capacity grinding machines can process huge quantities of meat, serving as the backbone of efficient and standardized patty production. The significance of this stage lies not only in the sheer volume it handles, but also in the precision required to achieve the desired texture and consistency. These huge machines use a massive rotating blade to cut the meat into small pieces. The blade is attached to a screw conveyor which propels the meat through a perforated plate featuring holes of various sizes. The minced meat is funneled into substantial tanks where it is seasoned with generous amounts of salt and pepper. This huge tank is a giant mixing bowl on a grand scale where everything gets mixed just right, so every bit of meat is tasty. Think of it like a supersized version of your kitchen blender, but way, way bigger. Once the minced meat is enriched with the flavors of salt and pepper, it progresses to the subsequent stage of the burger-making process, where sophisticated automatic cutters slice the seasoned meat into neat portions. These machines are equipped with precision blades that smoothly and accurately slice through the seasoned meat. The cutting mechanism is also designed to transform the seasoned meat into perfectly shaped patties. The patties typically undergo refrigeration before packing and distribution, so they can be managed through a series of conveyors for packing in large-scale production. The patties run through machines that automatically place sheets of paper between them, often referred to as interleaving paper. This prevents the patties from sticking together. The sheets act as a protective barrier, preventing patties from adhering to one another during storage and transportation. For smaller packaging configurations, interleaving papers may not be necessary, as the limited contact between patties makes them less prone to sticking during storage and distribution. In this case, the conveyors are designed to efficiently transport the refrigerated patties from the storage area to the packaging station. As the patties move, scanners are strategically positioned along the conveyor belts. These scanners are equipped with sensors capable of carefully inspecting each patty. The scanners are linked to robotic arms, which swiftly pick and place patties into designated packaging boxes, identifying and flagging any irregularities or potential issues in the meat. The next essential component for the production of hamburgers is wheat, the staple ingredient for crafting hamburger buns. Big trucks undertake the task of gathering the harvest. Upon reaching the production facility, advanced large-scale machinery takes charge of processing the harvested wheat into a consistent dough through cutting-edge kneading and shaping. Once the dough is prepared, it is shaped into a long cylindrical form resembling a snake. This elongated shape facilitates the subsequent dough dividing process. The dough is placed on a conveyor system that moves it along to automated machines designed for precision cutting. These machines are equipped with sharp blades or cutters that swiftly and accurately portion the continuous dough into smaller, uniform balls. This step is crucial for achieving consistency in the size of the dough portions, ensuring that each bun will be of the same size and weight. Once the dough portions are cut into uniform balls, they are organized on trays placed on conveyors. The trays move through the facility, transporting the dough balls to massive machinery dedicated to baking. Sesame seeds, the finishing touch for these buns, are added before the dough balls undergo baking at around 240 degrees Celsius for approximately 8 to 9 minutes. This high-temperature baking ensures the buns achieve that perfect golden brown finish and the desired texture. Once baking is completed, A depanner takes over to delicately remove the freshly baked buns from their trays or pans. This specialized machine employs a rotating mechanism perfectly aligning with the trays. The buns are then directed to a huge spiral cooler, where they undergo a gradual cooling process for approximately 30 minutes. This step allows the buns to set in texture and temperature before moving forward to the final stages of quality control and packaging. Automated packing machines are equipped with precision machinery that efficiently wraps, seals, and labels the buns, ensuring a consistent and high-speed procedure. The collaboration between automation and human workers in the packing process exemplifies the synergy required for large-scale production. While machines excel in speed and precision, human workers contribute their expertise to uphold quality, attention to detail, and the ability to adapt to variations. The production of hamburgers on a massive scale involves more than just the buns and patties. It extends to various additional ingredients, each requiring its own specialized production processes. For example, when considering the essential component of sliced cheese, advanced slicing machines ensure that cheese is uniformly cut into slices that meet the demands of high-volume production. The journey of salad components, such as lettuce or cabbage, have also automated systems that take care of washing and cutting. In the realm of lettuce, for instance, specialized washing systems remove impurities and contaminants, guaranteeing that each leaf meets rigorous quality standards. When the various ingredients for hamburgers arrive at fast food establishments like McDonald's or Burger King, staff members follow standardized procedures for burger assembly, ensuring that customers can enjoy these delicious and iconic burgers. Have you ever wondered how the innovations and technologies that power these massive production lines work? If you're curious to learn more, just click here to explore the amazing world of production lines in our next video.